In this video, I'm going to show you how to see if your iPhone battery is boosted or not. So first, let's open up Settings app, and then scroll down until you see the camera setting. Click it, and then turn on the Use Volume Up for Burst option here. And now you can exit, and then go to your camera app. And over here, just hold the volume up of your iPhone. This will start taking photos extremely fast, as you can see. So just take about like 100 photos. Don't worry, you can delete all these in one batch. But after you took a bunch of photos, you can now look at your battery percentage. So right here, and see how much it has drained. If it has drained very quickly during those photos you have taken, then that means it's boosted. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.